Okay, we're going to quickly extend again our understanding, taking a closer look at how best we differentiate trigonometric functions. So we have a problem here that we have here. Given that y is equivalent to cos squared x minus sin squared x, find dy dx. So how best are we going to differentiate this problem? This is quite interesting. So we have y is equivalent to cos squared x minus sin squared x. So this is analogous to say y is equivalent to the cosine of 2x. Remember, if we simplify this or using certain identities, you can see that we ended up with y is equivalent to cosine of 2x. So if they say find the derivative of this function, this is the same as to say find the derivative of cosine of 2x. So how best are we going to differentiate this? This is quite interesting. Remember that if y is equivalent to cosine of a certain function, right? So dy dx is equivalent to, so let's say you want to differentiate the cosine of a certain function. For you to differentiate the cosine of a certain function, or what you have to do, you need to find the derivative of f of x, all right, which is f of x prime, or you can write this as the derivative of f of x. So once you get the derivative of f of x, you multiply by negative sine of f of x. Remember, the derivative of cosine of x is negative sine x. You can check that one in your formula booklet. So if y is equivalent to cosine of f of x, if you want to find the derivative of this function by chain rule, straight away you can find the derivative of f of x and you multiply by negative sine of f of x. So if you differentiate this, the derivative of f of x, it gives you f prime of x times this minus, so it's minus f prime of x times the sine of f of x. So yes, that will be the solution. What if we've got y is equivalent to cosine of 2x? How best are we going to differentiate this? This is quite interesting. So what we have to do here to find dy dx, which is y prime, or in other words the derivative of cosine of 2x, this is going to give us. So how do we differentiate the cosine of a certain function? Like I said, the first thing that we have to do is to find the derivative of f of x. So here we have to find the derivative of 2x. Once we get the derivative of 2x, we have to multiply by negative sine of 2x straight away. So here, what is the derivative of 2x? We get 2. Then we multiply by negative sine of 2x. Remember, 2 times minus sine 2x, we ended up with 2, negative 2 sine 2x. So yes, that will be our solution. You can also write this one in another way. Remember, the identity for sine 2x is 2 sine x cosine of x. So you ended up with negative 4 sine x cosine of x. Quite interesting. That's how we differentiate the cosine function. Awesome.